Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Sunday Racing, araw ng linggo, April 27, 2025. Ngayon ang pangalawang araw, Sabado at Linggo nga, yung 2025 Annual New Philippine Jockeys Association Incorporated. Araw ng Sabado at Linggo ay Jockeys Day. At ngayong araw ng Linggo rin gaganapin ang 2025 Ferrocom Chairman's Cup Division 1, 2, and 3. At ang pinakatampok ngayong linggo ay ang pagtakbo ng Cool Summer Farm Derby Race. Sabado at Linggo pareho, no bearing, no effect, at mayroon pang mga additional cash prizes. Ngayong araw ng linggo meron tayong 12 races. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, isang 2,000 meter distance. First choice, number 3, Modern Legacy. Second choice, number 5, La Tropez. Ito namang race 2, may Super 6. Ang race 2, first pick 5, covers races 2 to 6. First choice natin, number 4, Gentleman Bell. Second choice, number 13, Saving Sunset. At third choice, number 10, Brewing Point. Race 3, second winner take all, covering races 3 to 9, another 2,000 meter. First choice, number 1, Sophisticated. Second choice, number 4, Added Haha. Yung race 1 nga pala, yun yung Chairman's Cup Division 3. At ito namang race 3, ang Chairman's Cup Division 2. Ito sa race 4, first choice, number 1, Marvelous Maxine. Second choice, number 3, Cole is Right. Tumako na tayo sa race number 5. Second pick 5, covering races 5 to 9. Ito yung 2025 Ferrocom Chairman's Cup. Yung pinaka Division 1. 2,000 meter distance. First and only choice, number 7, Jungkook. Tumako na tayo sa race 6. Third winner take all, covering races 6 to 12. First choice, number 1, Sherbet Fountain. Second choice, coupled entry 4, Hole in 1. 4A, Ace of Diamonds. Race 7, merong Pentapekta. First choice, number 1, Madam Mayhem. Napakaraming imported dito, halos lahat. Tanging yung number 11 lang ang hindi, Beltuna. Ulitin po natin, first choice, number 1, Madam Mayhem. Second choice, number 7, Red Queen. Race 8, third pick 5, covering races 8 to 12. First and only choice, number 1, Blackjack. Tumako na tayo sa race number 9. Pick 4, races 9 to 12. May Super 6 event. Ang race 9, first choice number 8, Lord Bentley. Second choice, couple entry, 7, White House. 7A, Red Soul. Third choice, number 5, Walking on Sunshine. Race 10. First choice, number 4, Bada Bing. Second choice, number 10, Mahusay Ay. Race 11. Penultimate race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 5, Bantay Sarado. Second choice, number 4, Family Affair. At third choice, Puting Kabayo. Sentimental favorite, number 3, Jeng's Had Enough. Last race na may Super 6. Ang may Super 6 sa araw ng linggo ay race 2. At itong race 9 at ngayon last race 12. First choice natin sa race 12, number 7, Border Force. Second choice, number 1, Pool Combat Order. Third choice, number 14, War Chief. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Happy racing! God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!